Hello everyone, I have Dewalt angle grinder, the old one, and the problem for this one is just not working, so we will check what can be wrong with it. Okay. Okay, taking out the housing, and first thing what I can see is the wire corroded here. Definitely the tool will not work with that kind of damage. Okay, otherwise looks good, but this wire looks bad. Let's check where it's going, and this wire goes to the switch here. This one I think can be cut it off, peel it, and solder the new wire. Let's check here. Okay, we have this wire here, so this one I think can be heated and removed. So I will try to unsolder it. Okay, now we have the solid contact here. Okay, now I have made the camera a bit far away of it, and I put the shingle tube here. Now, of course, I want to insert the switch. and I need to measure the wire length I need it. Of course, I will leave it longer, so it will be enough like that, I think. Okay, we have the gap here, but my wire will not go in the gap. Okay, so I think I will cut it here. I don't know if my shrinkable tube will be good here. Okay, probably it will fit. So just cutting a small piece of it. Putting on the wire. Now for the easier soldering, I will preheat the wire. Okay, it's covered. Now I will do the same with this contact. Now all I need is to hold the wire and solder it. It's fucking hot. Now we can check if we have the good contact. I think I want better contact gear. So I will hold the wire with the hold it with a little bit of pliers or something. Okay, now I think it looks much better. I'm not using the same way of the wire where it was burned. Basically because I have more space in the housing here. Mounting that tube. Yeah. Good. And first thing what we can do now is we can test the tool itself. And yeah, the tool is working, so we have repaired it. Now we need to clean it and we can assemble it back again. Okay, I have just brushed the dust and now we need to insert the pin with a spring. I don't know how many times I have just lost it. So I'm managing the wires, the button, the motor, and closing the housing. Everything closes good. I have a little rusty screw heads. Okay, we have assembled it, making sure that everything spins and turning it on again. So it works. That was an easy repair and everyone can do that at home. So for now, thank you for watching and waiting you in the comment section. Bye.